Hey guys, it's me, Sai. I was so emotional before I filmed this. I actually filmed it a couple of times because I've been working on these so hard, and I'm gonna introduce you guys to my extension line. This is the 3 lining up shades for now. I will be having more available later on, but I don't want to have so much shades cluttering the collection. I just wanted to keep bare minimum, and not only that, but making shades that are universal for most Lush clients out there that want more thickness and volume. But let's get right into this. I'm gonna try not to edit this video at all and just go right into it. First and foremost, I want to talk to you guys a little bit more about the shades that are available, and then I'll tell you more about the hair quality and what these are, okay? The concept of the color and wanting to see like okay, so wanting to oh my god, you guys, what am I talking about? Oh my god, I hate filming in front of this bay window because people are just driving by and there's just much drama, and then I get sidetracked. You know how it is, but you guys probably don't know how it is. But I was thinking like, how many shades should I come up? I don't want to overclutter it, but what type of shades I can do in order for these extensions to match tons of people around the world. So I came out with these 3 shades, and I you know, working on regular clients in the salon and being a Lush artist, I see a lot of different Lush highlights, but most of them look very similar. Most of them have the ombre feel like this one, and then this one as well. But let me introduce you guys to the shades. So this is Golden Goddess. You guys can see how pretty that is. A little close up there. So this is Golden Goddess, okay, you guys. The extensions are 150 to 160 grams. For the volume edition, there will be a customized version, not custom, but upgraded version. It's volumized and length, so it's gonna be about 200 grams. So you're gonna get more length on that. And then this is Pepper. Pepper is also one of my signature wigs on my website, but this is one of my favorite actually. You guys can see how beautiful she is. Okay, can you guys see that? I really wanted to shoot this video in my wig studio, but the lighting is so horrible there. They decided to tint the bay window in the studio to make it more darker. So now I bought that floral wall. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I bought a floral wall just to make it feel fantasy-like in there. But it's too dark, so now I'm filming at home, but that's okay. So this is another one. This is Angel. I just wanted to come out with a platinum one because who doesn't have platinum here? So this is platinum. This one is the prototype, so it's not quite platinum, but rest assured, the ones you guys will get shipped in the mail will be platinum. Just know that the more blonder you get, the more whiter you get, the hair is going to be more processed, okay? Just be ready for that. All the extensions do come with these coat hangers, not coat, these extension hangers. They're white, and then they have gold plating on them. But this is how it looks. Majority of the extensions that I will be shipping out to you won't have a universal root, meaning they won't be root 360. They'll just be rooted in the front. The reason why I decided to do that, because these are such high contrast look. Like you're getting like this ash black, ash brown look onto this platinum. So the more roots I put on there, the more likely that color is gonna bleed into the blonde. That's why I decided just to keep it really bare minimum and just do the front where most people can see. No one's gonna see underneath here, okay? But if you guys request you want a full root, then I'll do it all the way around. What else can I talk about? So these are 130 to 160 grams for the basic volumized edition, and then for the volumized and length, they will be around 200. Really depends. They come with a silk bag, which I'm not at the studio right now, but if you guys have purchased my wigs before, you know how the silk bags look. Okay guys, so I don't know where we left off at because I ran out of memory, but I deleted a few things. Now I'm back, okay? So if I'm saying the same thing twice, I apologize. Excuse me guys. What a day. I'm glad I'm able to film this. It's been emotional, but I worked really hard on this. It's so nice to see something come to life and have people believe in you and supporting you. And I just went live between this break of losing all my memory, and it was like I was panicking, but I believed in it so much I wanted to go live. You know when you have a baby, you like want to show everyone your baby. Okay, anyway, so this is the box you'll be getting it in. Now, this is not forever. I am designing new boxes because it's just a waste of space having this small little hairpiece in this big box. You're going to be paying more for shipping. It's just useless. So I'll be doing like a very high-end bag or maybe like a smaller box. But for now, they'll be coming in these size-style bag. This is like a shopping bag. Let me show you guys. So this is like a shopping bag. This one's a little bit dirty because I actually keep some of my tools in here just to carry around. So you get a bag like this. Okay, you can keep your extensions in there. But when you open it up, it looks something like this or whatever. And you guys know I do everything myself. Everything from creating, sewing, logos, everything. There's no in-between person. So when you guys support someone like me, you're supporting an individual and not a whole CEO, you know, a big corporation. And then everything that I make, I put back into the brand. I get better quality hair, better quality design, and stuff like that. I really appreciate everyone that has believed in my brand. But anyways, back to this. You get a silk bag like this with all my information, even my cute little Bob logo. And then you can put your extensions in there. So that's what you'll get. You'll get one of these hangers as well. So this is just a white-coated hanger with this gold plate. Looks very sophisticated. So like I said, I don't know where we left off on, but I'm going to show you guys, give you a rundown real quick of the extensions really close up. Okay? And this thing better be filming right now, because I'm like going to snap. Well, not really. You guys can see Golden Goddess has a really nice flow in the highlights. You can get around these corners. They go up higher. They're not just like that. So when these go around the corner, these going to be going right here. So they're going to mimic that natural big bold money piece and just blend in and just add that. And not only that, you guys, I want to mention, if you have like flat hair, you can use this to add dimension as well into your balayage highlights. Okay? These all start off blonde. I want to let you guys know this is how I'm able to create these beautiful colors. These all start off blonde. So remember this blonde hair underneath here. So they're going to have blonde texture feel, which we love because blonde hair, oh my god, because blonde hair curls better anyways. So that being said, just be very careful when you're styling and using thermal tools on this, because you will burn the color off if you're not careful. So Golden Goddess, you guys can see. Okay, let's move on to a few of my favorites right now. So this is one of my really favorite. These tones in this really mimics a lot of people's hair. Okay, we got the ash, and then we have the ash gold. So in certain lighting, it's really smoky, so it's gonna mimic your balayage highlights, because who doesn't like an ashy balayage, right? And then in certain lighting, you get warm too, and then at the end, you get this beautiful platinum ash gold. Yeah, so what else am I gonna say? So like I said, these are, I know I'm repeating myself, but again, like our camera died earlier. I mean, we lost memory. So these are 130 to 160 grams. Average is 160. I weigh all the extensions out before I ship them out. And they can go up to 200 depending on what edition you buy. So this is just the volumized edition, and then you have the volumized and length. So if you want thickness and length, but I'm gonna take this off the the hanger real quick. And I think I was cut off before I showed you guys this part. So let's see if I have to edit this video. I'm trying not to. So these are installed with just this. So they go behind your ear like this. Okay. Okay. Now it's optional. When you order yours, you can have clips put on this to secure. Okay, I'll do 4 to 2 clips. It really depends. I noticed with having clips on this, your hair gets tangled easily. That's why I don't like to do it. But people like extra security, so you can use them. You can install them with just this string, or if you really want it more permanent, you can actually use. Oh God. Okay, you guys can actually use this as a wefted sew-in. Just so you can get this sewn in like this and have it on permanently, which a lot of clients like to do. Okay, so that's Golden Goddess, you guys. So pretty. I'm obsessed. This is my favorite one. So So let's move on to our last and final. I'm probably repeating myself, but this is Angel. Like I said, this is just a prototype. The one you guys will be getting will be more coral and white and match your hair. This is an option. You don't need a dark root like this. You can if you want to, but yeah, that's all I have to say really. Alright guys, so as I'm trying to film this video, like half of the footage is missing. I must have ran out of memory again. I'm just gonna do an outro on this and say thank you guys for watching. If you like videos like this, comment, like, subscribe, and if you're interested in any of the extensions I showed on this video, all the information to order will be down below. Again, you guys, thank you so much. I can't wait to show you guys more things I have coming. I love you guys so much. Have a great day.